In this video, let us update application.property file for MySQL database. For that purpose, first we need to create a database in our workbench. Just open the MySQL workbench and create a database. Create database DB. So now we need to select this one, create database department DB, and just execute as it is creating the database called department DB. Next, go to IntelliJ and under SRC, navigate to main. Under resources, there is the application.property file. Now first we need to provide by default the port number, it takes 8080. So that's the reason we will change the server.port equal to 9090. So the next we need to provide the MySQL properties we need to provide. Here spring data source sourc data source dot URL. Here we need to provide that is JDBC colon MySQL colon localhost colon 3306/department DB. So what the database we have created in the database MySQL, the same name only we should provide it here, department DB. Next, now we need to provide, this is the connection URL, spring data source username we need to provide. In our case, the username is root, and spring data source password we need to provide. In our case, the password is root. Now we need to provide some Hibernate properties we need to provide. Hibernate properties we should provide. So the Hibernate, what is the Hibernate PRO? What are the Hibernate properties means? We need to provide spring.jpa.hibernate.ddl-auto. We should provide update, and for every execution we should view the SQL query. So that's the reason .jpa.showSQL we should provide true. Now save this particular one. Okay, so now our Spring Boot project, it runs on the port number called 9090. This is the connection URL, and this is the username, and this is the password, and it has to ddl-auto, it has to be in the update. And for every execution, or if any changes is taking place in the database, it has to be represented in the form of SQL query. In the console, it has to be shown. Yes, currently we have updated our application.properties file. In the next video, we will create an entity class for department.